This video will show you how you can replicate an existing course in Canvas into a new course shell. This is helpful because you can take a course you've taught in the past and copy it into the shell for an upcoming semester instead of having to start over from scratch. We're going to start with our empty course that we want to replicate content into. Click on the course and you'll be taken to the course homepage. Click the Import Existing Content button in the menu on the right-hand side, and under Content Type, select the first option, which is Copy a Canvas course. Type in the first few letters of the course name or the course code that you want to replicate, and then find the course in the list. Make sure that you select the correct semester that you want to copy. For the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to select all content. Importing specific content that you select will be covered in another video. I recommend checking the box for Adjust Events and Due Dates and then selecting Remove Dates to make it easier to assign due dates in your new course. Then click Import. Depending on how quickly or slowly the system is running and also how large the course is, it may take a few minutes for the process to complete. But once you see it switch from queued to running, you can safely leave this page without worrying that it will mess up your import.